Hey guys, so the Mwave package finally arrived, and I actually bought 2 of the signed albums, but they sent it separately, so I've already opened one of it, which is here. Yep, I'll show you who is it later, but I'll open this first. Oh my god! Okay, so for this, I have actually received Sangyun's signature for version 2. For your info, for you guys' info, Sangyun is actually my bias wrecker, so I was really happy to receive it. You all? Oh my god. Oh my god. For this, I've received Jungkook's photo card, Jungkook's handprint. I won't be going through the details of the album because oh my god, I've already done a few videos. Sangyun's CD, okay. And Kenta's 4-card sticker. Next, you don't go again. Oh my god. Yep guys, it's Jungkook again. Donghan. Oh my god guys. Oh my god. And the 4-card for the handprint, Taeyeon, Kenta. Almost the same as this. Yep. So I have both versions for the Kenta 4-card sticker. Yeah, that's it for this video. Waited really long for this to arrive though. I'm so happy, oh my god. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will come back with another video hopefully soon. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. Bye.